In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to do lying dumbbell tricep extensions, otherwise known as skull crushers. So firstly, you're going to start off with your feet at hip width apart. I'm using a bench here, and I'm going to have these weights in a position where they're on my knees to start off. Chest up nice and high, and then from here, bringing those elbows into my sides, I lock them in. I'm going to come all the way back, keeping my elbows into my sides, and I'm going to push the weights directly up. From this position, I'm looking to get my hands specifically over the position of my shoulders. Notice how my palms are facing each other and the weights are shoulder width apart. Now, what I want you to think of is only bending your elbows. So don't bring the shoulders back like this. Just the elbows only. Keep those shoulders set. Bending the elbow and straightening the elbow. Bending the elbow only and straightening the elbow. Make sure you don't cheat by bringing the elbows out away from your body. You want to keep them tucked into your sides at all times. And of course, you're going to repeat this for your desired amount of sets and repetitions. I always keep my hands facing each other. So the palms of my hands never rotate or come too far in or too far out. And that's how you would know you was doing it wrong. If you start to bring your shoulders out, you may notice that the hands are no longer facing directly into each other. As you do heavier weights, your shoulders might want to get involved, and you might start seeing your elbows come back and forwards, but you want to keep that shoulder position set as you do all of your repetitions. Once you're done, come back to a position where the dumbbells are over your chest. Bring the weights down and keep your elbows into your sides as you come back up. That's how to do lying overhead dumbbell tricep extensions, which you would repeat for your desired amount of sets and repetitions.